Are you stuck in traffic, avoiding your alarm clock, or suffering a really bad case of Monday-itis? Struggling to pay the bills? Now, this video today is all about passive income and how you can make money online in 2024. The great thing about passive income is that it gives you choices. And stay with me until the very end because I have 3 fantastic ideas for passive income that you may not have thought of before. These ideas are things that I have done myself. They pay really, really well. So let's get into it. The internet has made it possible to work anywhere to make money online without overheads. You could consider things like freelancing, marketing, course creation, digital products, community and memberships. There are so many different ways to make money online. You've probably heard about lots of people spruiking that it's easy to make money online. But I'm sorry to burst your bubble, there is no get-rich-quick scheme and there is no easy way. To be totally honest with you, every way requires some level of effort. The question is, how badly do you want it? I personally tried lots of different ways to make money online, and that's why I started this channel, to help other people navigate the online space. And that's Passive Income Today on YouTube. Now I'm going to reveal the 3 best side hustles for 2024. The first one is the circular economy. And this is actually an excellent idea for a side hustle, and it works really well. It's also good for the environment and good for the back pocket. So you can buy, recycle, restore and resell pre-loved goods and furniture. This can be anything from kitchenware to clothing to shoes to bags to tables to chairs to TVs, all different types of things. If you visit your local charity shop, you might pick some things up quite cheaply and you clean it up, fix it up and you resell it on Marketplace. There are lots of different things that you can do to make money online. And also, people are becoming more conscious about what they're buying and trying to reduce waste. It's become a cool thing to do, and it's something that you can do with as little as $10. You can get started right away. One great way to make money in the circular economy is to buy from charity shops and to resell on sites like eBay. It's a really popular method for people to generate quite a lot of income and also move products on really quickly. The second idea is about growing your own food. People, especially since COVID, have become really conscientious of the quality of food that they're eating. And there's a lot of food products that are treated with chemicals when they're grown, and people love to buy local. That's why farmers markets are really popular. Being able to grow organic, edible produce and reselling on places like Marketplace is a great way to go if you're interested in the garden and being outdoors. And the third way is to start an online business. There are lots of different types of online businesses, from, freelancing, working for others, doing virtual assistant work, but you're exchanging time for money. The type of business that's really sustainable and you can turn on and off and still earn money is where you're creating and selling digital products or becoming an affiliate for digital products. When you do this, you can work from home and you can get paid really quickly for your efforts. You can register yourself on sites like Fiverr, which is at fivvr.com, and you can list your types of services that you can offer people and they can hire you directly. But what if I could show you one way that works and you can be your own boss? What if you could do this part-time or full-time? You could work at any time of the day and you don't need to sell anything. And what if I also told you that the reality of this type of work is that the earning potential could be unlimited and your immediate goal was cash flow and you could get this going really quickly? Let me tell you about what I do right now and is what is working for me right now. I make product reviews to help people make better buying decisions. I don't sell anything. I don't ship anything. I have no overheads. I do it as much or as little as I like. And I make really, really good money. The first step is I buy the product before I recommend it. I buy it, I test it, and I make sure it's good. And I have a lot of fun doing that. Then I make a video about the product and publish it to my YouTube channel. The types of products that I review are digital products. They could be anything from a template to an artificial intelligence software to a coaching or consulting program to Canva documents, can be all sorts of things in all different types of niches. I'm able to showcase products and content they can't find anywhere else. And the great thing is, these products and this content is fresh every day. There's always new products coming. And I'm also able to get access to some really special and big bonuses for them that they couldn't get anywhere else. By the time they get to the end of the video, they'll know whether they want it. And a lot of the time, the products that they can get access to are heavily discounted that I offer. You earn money and you can do whatever you want with it. Maybe you've been thinking about doing a renovation at home and you want to fix things, but you just need a bit more money to get it going. Maybe you've got some big travel plans, or you want to go somewhere with your girlfriends and you want to have a trip, but getting those costs together can be a little bit hard when you're working and juggling everything else. Perhaps you've got some grandkids you'd like to spend some more time with, or at least spoil them on the holidays. Well, doing this type of business, you can do that and you can spend more time with your family. Or just you want to get by day to day. You want to have time with your family. You want to make the cost of living pressure go away. You want to spend more time making memories and less time worrying. Whatever it is that you want, that freedom that you want to experience, that will come when you have passive income. It's really powerful. I would love to share this with you. If you decide to join me and you're ready to learn and earn, you're never going to be alone because I'll be right there. You'll get a one-to-one coaching call to set you up for success. You'll get confidence and a real human to talk to. You'll get my experience, knowledge, and expertise. And you can join one or both of these programs, Commissionable or the 100K Alliance. And let me tell you a little bit about this. So I mentioned before I make product reviews. Those product reviews get published on YouTube and other platforms. People find them through their searches, and if I provide excellent quality information and value, they will click the link when they decide to buy. When they make a purchase, I get paid instantly. Now, as I showed you just before, those commissions run in daily. I'm getting money all the time. And I was wondering if this is something that you might like to do. If you're completely brand new to an online business, go with Commissionable. It is the best product for you. Both products teach you how to earn up to $350 a day, $10,000 a month, and you'll get this in time as you go through the lessons and you apply yourself. But they have two different approaches. The 100K Alliance is someone who already has some online experience and really wants to go fast and scale and grow a business really quickly. And the Commissionable is someone who wants to build a steady state business that they can grow, but they're not outsourcing. They're doing everything inside using all the templates and products that are provided. Both programs are excellent. I have purchased both and I have absolutely loved it. They have both given me information, skills, and knowledge to really succeed in this online business with product reviews. The two programs are Commissionable and the 100K Alliance. This gentleman on the screen is Trevor Carr. He's in both programs. He is the creator of Commissionable, and then he is also a co-creator in the 100K Alliance. He is absolutely phenomenal at content creation and affiliate marketing, and you're going to learn so much. This is a snapshot of what Trevor earned in the last 30 days in one of his accounts. He has 3 accounts. He's earning money in all 3, and this is only one of them, $90,000 US in the last 30 days. Now, for you and I to get to that point, it's if we are consistent and we do good quality reviews, it will come. No matter where you are, your age, or what you look like, or even your background, it doesn't matter. So long as you want to work and you want to put in the effort, this can work for you. And I'd love to give you an exclusive invitation to join me. This is really special. I can't emphasize how extremely grateful I am to be in both programs right now, and how extremely happy I am to be making changes in my life so I can help my family because of the passive income I'm earning. And I want to tell everyone, I want you to know about this because I think that this will help you. If you'd like to see a video about both products, this is the link that you can go and check it out, and you'll be able to go through. Start with the commissionable one and then have a look at the 100K. My best advice to you is to trust your gut instinct. If you have a question and you're not sure what to do, leave a comment below and I will reply. But if you do feel like it's the right match, jump in, take advantage of it because the prices they're offering right now are really good. When you sign up and you apply what you learn, you can start making money online right away. If you have time, check out the other videos that I have on my YouTube channel to help you make passive income. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.